In this video, we are going to see Lastpass tutorial step by step. Let's get started. Click over to get Lastpass free. You can log in if you already have an account. If you don't have one, first create an account. Enter email address and master password. Check master password requirements and also a good example. Confirm master password. Sign up for free. Your account has been successfully created. Install the browser extension and then log in using the account that you have just created. Click over and install Lastpass. Click over and add to Chrome. And then add the extension. You are successfully logged in. Here I am on the Lastpass dashboard. On the left side, in the Sharing Center, you can manage shared folders, share with others, and share with me. In Passwords, import many passwords at once. In Notes, you can secure your secret notes, contracts, or important legal documents. In Addresses, you can add contact information, address, phone, email, and more here. In Payment Cards, you can add credit cards, debit cards, and anything else you use to shop. In the Security dashboard, you can activate multi-factor authentication and manage trusted devices and permitted mobile devices. In Emergency Access, you can add people that you trust or who trust on you. In Account Settings, you can account information, privacy, email subscriptions, and security settings. You can explore passwordless options, multi-factor options, trusted devices, mobile devices, never URLs, equivalent domains, and URL rules. In Advanced Options, you can upgrade your plan and manage your vault and improve your security. Let's add items one by one. You can see all the options from here. Click over the password. Here enter the URL. Enter your name. Folder. Username here. Site password. You can add important notes here. In Advanced Settings, you can checkmark Require Master Password Reprompt, Autologin, and Disable Autofill. Once you are all done, click over Save. An item is added. From this plus icon, you can add more items. This is how you can use Lastpass. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.